Third stimulus check update. We're also going to be talking about taxes. We're actually going to be talking about the gas prices going up. Let me know in the comment section how you guys are feeling today. If you filed your taxes, if you got your stimulus checks, let me know in the comment section. I really thought everybody was funded, and now I'm seeing a lot of people have not been even getting funded yet, especially when it came down to the stimulus checks and even your taxes. I know a lot of people are still waiting on taxes. We'll discuss that here in another video, and I'll break that down a little bit more for you guys. But as of right now, a lot of people are still waiting on their taxes. A lot of people are still waiting on their stimulus checks. A lot of people are still waiting. So hopefully we get a little update for you guys. Also, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. I know that third stimulus check, people were supposed to be getting it with their taxes, and that seems like, for the most part, a lot of people got theirs through that way. So I'm going to read this. This was a member of my channel. They began to say, I didn't receive my third stimulus payment in my tax return. And I'm just going to leave this here if you guys want to read that. But it looks like they're supposed to be receiving a $1,400 payment going into, one moment here, a $1,400 payment. So with that being said, I'm going to leave this up here for about 10 more seconds while I grab some more information. Everybody. All right. What was this? All right. Y'all ready? You ready? Are you ready? No. Like, y'all ready. All right, cool. Let's get into some of these comments. Like I said, I discussed this topic a few of my videos on my channel, so make sure you go watch that as well. Let me see. Let's read the comments. Let's read the comments. This is saying that the IRS sent you $1,400 last year, so according to their records, you already received the money. Are you sure you didn't receive it? I'm positive because I did not file last year since I didn't have any work income besides unemployment from PUA. I am positive because I did not file last year since I didn't have any work or income besides unemployment from PUA. Did you file in 2019? Let me see. I did not. TurboTax says to pick up where I left off. Well, somehow the IRS thinks they sent the payment, so your only option is to do a payment trace on it. This picture you posted is hard proof the IRS sent the funds somewhere, which is true, guys. The IRS, it's going to be pretty tough, right? It's going to be a hard debate of telling the IRS, no, you didn't send me $1,400, and then the IRS actually has, receipts of that. Now, you can trace it. You can go on irs.gov. You can actually trace your payment and see exactly where it went. Maybe it went to an account that you no longer have. Could have went to an older account. They could have used some old information. You just never know. Like, little stuff like that could have happened if that was the case. I'm just trying to put it all out there. If that was the case, you really don't know. You really don't know if that's the case or not. But if that was the case, somebody said this happened to me with the second stimulus when I didn't get it with the recovery rebate for 2020. I was told by IRS that I should have did a payment trace first, then filed my taxes and claimed the recovery rebate. I did my payment trace and waited 6 weeks with no deposit in my trace. Had to do a second trace and finally came when making second trace. All the IRS could tell me was they don't know what happened, but called back in another 6 weeks if it still didn't receive the payment. Basically 12 weeks and a few days it came. Jeez. That's what I'm saying, 12 weeks. Roughly 3 months. That's a long time to be waiting, right? Roughly 3 months. For a stimulus check, at that point, you might not even be waiting anymore. You're just like, you probably at that point, you may have forgot about it. Let's just be real. You may have forgot about it and then it just showed up. A lot of people, that's happened to a lot of people. I've been getting those reports as well. Like, I just kind of forgot about it. I didn't think I was ever gonna get my stimulus check. I didn't think I was ever gonna get any type of benefits. So basically what I did was I just forgot about it, and then it eventually came. So sometimes you get your minds off things, other things happen. Somebody said maybe do both.